How to fix Viber verification code problem. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be talking about how to fix Viber verification code problem. So if you're also facing such problem, that means you do not or you cannot simply receive your verification code after typing your phone number. So first thing what you want to do is just make sure you have entered the correct phone number over here. And if it still keeps on loading and still not providing you with the 6-digit code which it should, then in that case what you might want to do first is just head over to your settings of your device and simply scroll and click on apps. So once you're inside your app management or apps, just search in for Viber, and once you locate your Viber application, and inside the permission section make sure you have allowed everything from over here. So sometimes when you don't allow phone option or as a permission, such error might occur. And as you can see, currently my SMS is not allowed, so you can also try allowing this as well. So once you allow everything from over here, just come back and simply click on storage if it's still not fixing. So from over here, just clear all the case from over here and just try to restart your Viber and it should work. And if it's still facing such error, then the last thing what you want to do is just come over to your Play Store and simply search in for Viber and make sure you have updated the application to its latest version. So once you do all of that, your issue should be fixed successfully. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.